everyone, welcome back to my channel. So finally, I have made a plan to visit a Kerala. After such a long time, the dream is coming true. I am starting my journey from Hyderabad to Elfi by train, and look at this view throughout the journey. Our view is absolutely wow. Once we reach the Elfi, we are heading straight to the houseboat. This is a place is unreal. The water, the tree, the calmness. It's all feels so relaxing. The house by the water looks so beautiful. Just imagine wake up every day to fresh air and peaceful water. And this is view. It's literally like a dream. Guys, so this is our home for today. We are staying overnight in this houseboat to get the full experience, and trust me, it's so nice. They have provided everything just like a regular home. Look at the ambience. Look at this crate. This is a kitchen area, and this is me. Dun, dun, dun. So every room has AC, everything you need to stay comfortable. And now let me show you my room. So this is a bed and a mirror. So just I show you the ambience, and just look at the view from here. Just like wow. a peaceful night. This is what I woke up today. So calm water, fresh air, all my stress just melt away. Such a peaceful and soul refreshing morning. Just me and my me time, guys. Literally, trust me, everyone should be try Kerala trip. It's very nice and very calm, is very peaceful. So finally, it's time to say goodbye to amazing houseboat. But don't worry, the journey is continuous. So yeah. Next stop is Ajamala Beach. What can I even say? Speechless, just like wow. The only thing I can say is what more do you need in life? Seriously, waves and peace, just a bliss. So time to say bye bye to this beach, but we will stay have one more special place to visit. So our final destination is the majestic Padmanabha Swami temple. Trust me guys, you must visit the place at least once in your life. It's not just about spirituality, the energy here is something else, guys. Very peaceful and very spiritual, feel spiritual. So this is our Kerala vlog and the ending the trip, and that to wrap up my Kerala trip. Now it's time to head back to Hyderabad, but the memories, they are coming with me forever. If you ever get a chance to visit Kerala, please do. It's a whole different vibe. And everyone, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.